Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to another video. In this video, we will discuss about how to apply PGWP online. I have already applied PGWP for my friend Brian and I have recorded everything. So I will be showing the same process. It will be a long video, so I will be explaining a step by step all the options for PGWP. So let's go to my laptop and see the process step by step. This application I have done for my friend Brian. So to start with, we have to log in into GC key login. So you can just Google it GC key and you will get the link. And you might already have your login because you already applied for study permit. If you don't have login, create new. After login, you will get this screen and click continue. On next page, scroll down and click on apply to come to Canada under a section start an application because we have to apply a new application for PGWP. So we don't have personal reference code, so go down and click on visitor visa, study and work permit. On next pages you have to answer some questions. So here first question you have to select work because you are going to apply for PGWP. Then how long you are planning to stay, so it should be temporary more than 6 months. Then you have to select your country, your home country, so in this case it's India. Then you have to select your current country, your territory of residence, so you are in Canada, so you have to select Canada here. If you have your family member as a Canadian citizen or PR holder, then you can select here yes or no, and then fill up your date of birth and click on next. If you have US citizenship, click yes or else no. For Brian's case, it's no, so I have selected no and click on next. Here you have to select what is your current status. So current status will be student because study is finished and we are going to apply PGWP and click next. Select no here and click next. Select no for first question because you are not a full-time student and you can work more than 20 hours. So please select no on this. Select yes for next question because yours will be full-time course and minimum of 8 months. And for next question, if you have co-op in your program or your study program, please select yes or no. In Brian's case, it's no. Then click on next. Select no for first question because we don't have approved PR. And for next question, no as well because we have not applied for PR. Click no for third question as well, even you have written job offer because it's for LMIA. You must have your transcript by now, so click yes and continue. Here you have to select your marital status. So Brian is unmarried, so it is never married or single. Next, you have to select the province where you are going to reside, and he is in Ontario, so it's Ontario here. After that, this page shows that you are eligible for TRV, that is temporary resident visa, and PGWP, postgraduate work permit. So we have to apply for PGWP, so select that and continue. Read this information and click on continue. You must be having completion letter and transcript from the college, so click yes and continue. If you have done your medical exam in last 12 months, click yes or else no. In this case, it's no. If you have been lived in a country other than your home country and Canada more than 6 months, click yes or else no. If you want to work in these jobs, select yes. If you want to apply with your family member, click yes. Brian doesn't want to apply with family member, so it's no and next. Select no here because you are doing yourself, you are not giving any access to anyone. Click next. Click yes because you have given your biometrics while coming to Canada as a student. Yes, I will be paying the fees for this application and I have digital copies of all the documents.
And yes, I will be paying my fees online via debit or credit card. On this page, you can review your answers and you can correct them if you want to, or else scroll down and click on continue. And you can read these instructions and click on continue. And on this page, you have to upload all the documents, including your application for TRV and work permit and other required documents. If you have any doubt how to fill these application forms, I already made a video on that. You can check that video. The link is in the description and on the top of the screen as a I button. So you can save your application and you can continue later on. So once you logged in back in GCKey, your application will be at bottom section. You have to click on continue application. After all documents are uploaded, it shows how much amount you have to pay. And please read this instruction and sign the document. Then click on transmit and pay. After that you can make the payment and it's done. And to check the status of your application, you have to log in again to GCKey, and this time your application is appearing in the submitted application, and you can select check full application status. At the bottom you can see the confirmation of your application.
So this is the complete process of PGWP. If you have any queries, anything what you want to know, you can write it down in a comment section. Hope this video will help you in applying your PGWP. If you feel this is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.